para ketua organisasi penerbitan, semua delegasi, dan teman-teman semua di sini. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat malam, salam sejahtera untuk semuanya. Bapak Ibu yang saya hormati, izinkan saya melanjutkan sambutan ini dalam bahasa Inggris untuk menghormati tamu-tamu undangan yang berasal dari berbagai negara. First of all, allow me to welcome you to the City Hall of the Government of Jakarta. It is indeed an honor and privilege to host a welcoming dinner to all of you, the participants of the International Indonesian Book Fair. And let's give a big applause to the committee. When I heard about this book fair, it reminded me of the Frankfurt Book Fair. Claudia is there, Laura is there, good friends that we work together for the Indonesian missions at the Frankfurt Book Fair 2 years ago. And it is indeed for us in Jakarta to host this event is very important. And we would like to have a long-term impact to this kind of book fair. If I may, I'm telling you our schedule, I'm actually scheduled to be in Surabaya this evening. We have a program in Surabaya. So in Surabaya we have a Asia Pacific Mayors Meeting. And Jakarta is part of Asia Pacific. And this is the biggest city in Asia Pacific. So we had national meeting, international meeting starting from yesterday until tomorrow. And it was scheduled. And then your invitations arrived for this book fair. If I were in the Ministry of Education, I would have known this earlier. And I found out about this program. And then I said to our team, this is a very important event. We need your presence in Jakarta, and we would like to echo, and I would like to honor your presence in this city. So again, I come back. Worried about delayed flight, arrived a bit late, but we're happy that we're able to make it this evening. Now, with regard to this book, as it was mentioned earlier by Ibu Rosi Dayati, it is so dear to me personally and to the needs of the people in Jakarta. We need to improve our literacy here in this city and in this country. And that challenge is not easy to tackle, but it requires a collective work. We would need everyone to get involved to make reading, literacy something of interest starting from home. It needs to start at home. If it doesn't start at home, it will be very difficult to actually start it later on. When I served as Minister of Education, it was mentioned earlier, we produced rules, regulation requiring students to read 15 minutes before school starts. But you know, at the end of the day, readings is about not only about rules and regulations, it's not about requirements, it's about stimulating interest, it's about creating habits. As soon as it becomes habit, the next stage is a culture. And the habituations, that is something that we would like to promote. So here in Jakarta, what we would like to do, actually last month we just issued a new governor decree on literacy in the city, because we would like to make the next generations of Jakartans is paid much more attention to reading, to literacy in the general terms. It is a job that I would like to invite IKAPI and everyone in this room to work together with us, Government of Jakarta, to promote this in Jakarta. This is the city in which we have enough infrastructures for reading. There is no reasons in terms of access to books, access to literacy for anybody in Jakarta. There is no reasons. If you are living far away from Jakarta, you can use this as an excuse. I have minimum access to digital technology, I have minimum access to library, I have minimum have access to bookstores. But here in Jakarta, we don't have that reasons. Every infrastructure in terms of access is available. The challenge is now to work together for that goal. And the work together is for whom? Us in government and all of you who is outside government but have the interest of promoting literacy in our society. And it is indeed, I often use the term daya baca. I don't know how to translate daya baca in English. Apa daya baca itu? Endurance, reading literacy endurance. Apa? Reading force. So, what we'd like to promote is reading force. We'd like to make people willing and able to read in, how do I translate this into English? If you're seeing thick book, often people get discouraged. I don't have the reading force to actually read a thick book. And if it is a thin book, only a few pages, you have 10, 20, 30 pages, I'll tackle. But if it is 200 pages, I get discouraged. I'm not going to do it. It's called reading force. We would like to create the habits of people able to read serious books and able to digest. Our concern, given the fact that we are so exposed to digital technology, Jakarta is among the most wired society in Asia and perhaps in the world. Everyone has access to smartphone. Almost everyone has smartphone in Jakarta. But the challenge is we have become more of scanner rather than reader. We scan, we read through, but we don't actually reflect, we don't actually produce, and we don't actually think through what we read. So we would like to promote programs on literacy, on reading, and we would like to partner with IKAPI, in specific, IKAPI Jakarta, and this event, the Indonesian International Book Fair, is a kind of event that we would like to promote further. So, again, I would like to thank our Indonesian delegations and committee for organizing this event. And after the completion of this event, I'd like to meet with IKAPI. I'd like to meet with IKAPI Jakarta as well as the committee, and how can we make this kind of event not only in one place, not only in a certain period, but in a more extensive coverage of Jakarta, and would like to see more people to actually participate in this kind of event. So we would like to, we don't want to pretend as if we know every solution to these problems. We would like to borrow your brain. We would like to learn from best practices or experiences that you have had, not only in other cities, but other countries. So for you, the international participants, do share with us. You know, tonight we may not be able to do it, but share with our colleague at IKAPI. Tell your best practices in encouraging literacy in your country. Share to IKAPI, and then let IKAPI share to us later on. But the idea is, for us in Jakarta especially, the infrastructure is there. So we would like to promote this, and every possible means that we can do, we would like to undertake that avenue. So again, I'd like to thank everyone for coming in, for joining this dinner, and I hope the event is a fruitful one, and I hope your stay in Jakarta is a memorable stay, and one day we will be able to welcome you again. Thank you very much. Good night.
Baik, kepada Bapak Anies Rashid Baswedan PhD selaku Gubernur